In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TurboTax Self-Employment Tax Calculator. To get started, open your web browser and go to the TurboTax Self-Employment Tax Calculators page. Once you're there, take a moment to get familiar with the page layout so you know where the main tools and information are located. This will make the process feel a lot smoother as you move through the calculator. Next, review the information provided about how the calculator works. This section is helpful because it explains what the tool is designed to do, including estimating your self-employment taxes and giving you an idea of your possible refund. It's important to remember that this is an estimate, so the numbers you see are meant to help you plan rather than serve as a final tax result. When you're ready, click on Estimate Your Refund. This will launch the calculator and take you into the part where you begin entering your tax details. Make sure you're in a quiet moment and have your financial information nearby, since that can make the process much quicker and more accurate. Now enter the requested information about your income, self-employment earnings, deductions, and overall tax situation. Be as accurate as possible when filling this out, because even small differences in your entries can affect the estimate you receive. If you have forms, summaries, or recent income records available, those can help you provide better information. Continue answering the on-screen questions until all required information has been entered. As you move through each screen, read the prompts carefully so you understand what's being asked. If something looks unfamiliar, slow down and review it before moving on. Taking a little extra time here can help you avoid mistakes and improve the usefulness of the estimate. Once you've completed everything, review the estimated results. This will usually include your expected refund or, in some cases, the amount you may owe. Go over the numbers carefully and use them as a planning tool. For example, if it looks like you may owe taxes, this can give you time to prepare. If you're expecting a refund, it can help you set realistic expectations. Finally, use the estimate to help plan your taxes, or continue filing your return in TurboTax if you're ready to move forward. The calculator is a helpful way to preview your situation before completing your return, especially if you have self-employment income and want a clearer picture of what to expect. Thanks for watching.